In this video I'm going to show you how to remove background from your images and also how to create YouTube thumbnails, and you can combine the two if you wish, and that's how I create my YouTube thumbnails. So let's get straight into it. So here we are at Removebg, and this is a free tool I use on a daily basis for my YouTube thumbnails, but you can use this for anything you like, for your affiliate marketing needs or your internet marketing needs. Okay, so like I said, it's a free tool. I'll leave the link in the description below this video. Now you can remove your background image with just a few clicks with this tool. So just head over and upload the image just here from your computer, and we'll pick one here. So let's pick this one. This is one that's just uploading. This is one I used for one of my YouTube thumbnails previously. So that already has removed the background. You can, if you wish, click the edit button and put another background on that's chosen out of these templates, as you can see. But for this tutorial, we're just going to remove the whole background. Okay, so you just click download, and this will download the image without the background onto your computer. So we'll just give that a second to download. Okay, that's now downloaded onto my computer. So for this example, we're just going to head over to canva.com. That's canva.com. And this will just show you quickly how to create a YouTube thumbnail. You can use this for anything else you like, but just for this example I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So just click in YouTube there and it brings up YouTube thumbnail. Now you can again use any of these templates you wish, but for this tutorial we're going to create a blank template. So here we are, here's your blank template. So we're going to pick a background for this. Let's just go for a plainish blue background. You can use any of these templates you like. Again, just keep scrolling down and pick one you wish, or you can keep it at the white background. It's totally up to you. So there we have it. So now we're going to go to uploads, and we're going to upload media and from your device, which is your computer. So we'll find the recent download, and there we have it just here. Look, that's the one we've just downloaded from Remove Your Background. So that's just uploading. That's done now. So we'll just click on that and that'll bring, there we go, look, it's took all the background out, and you can enlarge it like so. This is just an example. Designing isn't my forte, as you can see. So we'll just click on uploads again and upload media from your device, and I'll just pick out an image that I created earlier on from the same free tool, and just wait for that to upload. Click on that, and you can place that anywhere you like. You can enlarge it. So now you can put some text in here if you wish. You can use any of these templates or create any of your own with a heading or a subheading. Let's just choose that one for now. We'll resize that, put it in there. Look, you can have a play about with it. You can't break anything. You can change the colours by up here. Just go into your colours, changing it to red. Probably not the best colour to do, but let's try yellow, that's better. Okay, and you can alter the text I'll put you back in, but that's just showing you that you can alter the text. Okay, we'll make that a little bit bigger, and like I say, this is just an example on what you can do, and very quickly. So, okay, so that is the thumbnail size for your YouTube video. You can do pretty much anything with Canva. So all you would do is download that to your computer. We'll just give that a minute to download. And there it is. There's the YouTube thumbnail. Just click on that and drag that over so you can see it properly. And there you have it, your YouTube thumbnail. Now obviously this is just an example. So yeah, that's how you do it for free. Quite easy, just a few clicks of a button. So there you have it. That's how you can create a YouTube thumbnail and how you can remove the background of any of your images. Both sites are free of charge, so I'll leave the links below this video in the description. So that's Removebg and Canva.com. They're both free, folks, so make good use of them. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like and leave me a comment in the box below. See you later, stay safe.